The default reaction of an employee, a mentee, or any intern or student is kapag binibigyan ng constructive feedback, feeling nila inaaway sila. Feeling nila kinakalaban sila. And the younger they are, sometimes the more they are resistant to change. So it happened to me approach is a tactic wherein you lower their guards by laying out your intentions, why you need to say this. So the idea here is to say, John, I'm saying this not because ako ang kontrabida ng buhay mo, but because I care for you. This happened to me 10 years ago, and I'm thinking it might happen to you with the way I'm seeing you right now. I don't want that to happen to you because I care for you. Therefore, X, Y, and Z. Okay? Scientifically proven, when you state your intention at the beginning of a conversation, it makes the person feel that there's reason to listen and that they should have space also to listen.